Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a Haldi ceremony eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this pretty yellow and orange half cut piece with glitter eye look. And in my culture we always tend to wear yellow outfits for our Haldi ceremonies, and I think this can be a perfect look for that. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel, and if those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. First, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade medium neutral, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows. Then I'll be applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. And are you guys watching my YouTube shorts? I have been uploading YouTube shorts almost every other day, and sadly YouTube does not send you notification for YouTube shorts, so I will highly appreciate it if you watch my YouTube shorts and share your valuable opinion with me. I am blending out the concealer using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Studio 35. I already set the concealer using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder, and now I am using these sticky tapes which I got from Amazon. These are actually eyeshadow shields. Now I am taking this bright orange shade from my Cara Beauty Orange Pop eyeshadow palette, and I am applying it as my crease color with this Morphe M456 brush. I think this palette has been discontinued, but you can still get it from Amazon. When I was looking for like dupes for this eyeshadow palette, I found a perfect dupe for this from the brand called Forever 52. Their Summer Breeze eyeshadow palette is a like shade to shade dupe for this eyeshadow palette. So if you are from India and you want to create the exact same look, you can go ahead and buy that eyeshadow palette. I think it is around 1500 rupees. That eyeshadow palette, trust me, just take a screenshot of this eyeshadow palette and look it up on Nykaa. These two palettes are like shade to shade dupes, so you can create an exact same look. And I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. And this is a beautiful like red toned matte orange shade, such a pretty shade. And the quality of this eyeshadow palette is also really good. And now I am taking this like yellow toned orange shade. This has a pretty like orange and yellow undertone, and I'm blending out the edges of that previous shade just to create a smooth gradient effect. And I am using the same Morphe M456 brush, and I'm blending it out with a very light hand. I'm barely touching my skin, because if you like blend it out pretty harshly, then the shadow may stick to the spot where it first hits. So just use a very light hand to blend out your shadows. Perfect. I'm applying that same orange shade that I applied first on my crease once again, because I felt like I lost some of it during the blending process, but I wanted that intensity because I'll be cutting my crease, and for that my crease has to be really dark and defined. And now I'm cutting my crease using this lip brush from Pune store, and I'm using the same concealer. First I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and then I will clean up the eyelid and I will apply the concealer again. And I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher because I have hooded eyes. You can see my natural crease right across my lid, and I am just building up a new crease for myself, and that's why I'm just pressing the concealer a little bit higher. Now I am taking my Garnier micellar water, and with this Q-tip I am just cleaning up the lid space just to have a nice like clean surface, because the lid shade that I'll be using, it's pretty sheer, and if I don't remove the remaining shades, then it might peek through and it will not look good. Now I am just applying the concealer one more time, and I'm applying it in a very less quantity because I do not want it to become patchy or I do not want it to crease. Now I am just blending out the edges of that concealer so that blending becomes easier later on. This step is really important, to not skip this step. And I'm just blending out the edges using the same matte bright orange eyeshadow that I applied as my crease color. And I'm just creating a gradient effect here. Perfect. Now I am taking this matte bright yellow shade from the palette and I am applying it all over on my eyelid, actually on the middle part of my eyelid, and I'm using this stamping motion. The lid shade or the shimmer shade that I'll be using on top of it is very sheer and it's kind of a topper shade, so I wanted a base for it, otherwise my eyelid might peek through and it will not look opaque. So I just used that shade as my base color, and I'm just blending out the edges one more time. On my actual lid shade, I'm going with this shimmery yellow shade. You can call it a yellow gold shade, but it's basically a shimmery yellow shade, and I am applying it on top of that matte yellow shade that I just applied, and for that I'm using this flat shader brush from Morphe. And now I am taking this champagne gold shade from the palette and I'm applying it on the inner part of my eyelid. I like to apply a lighter shade on the inner part of my eyelid. It just gives my eyes that open, like bigger, wide open like appearance. And taking that matte red toned orange shade, I am applying it on the border of the cut crease just to make it look even prominent. And now I am going with this matte brown shade and I'm deepening up my outer V area even more because I wanted that smokiness on my outer V area. Other than that, it was not looking the way as I wanted it to look. And now I am taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black and I am drawing a wing here. For that I'm using this eyeliner brush from Morphe. This is my all-time favorite gel eyeliners. It lasts all day long, no matter what. It does not move or does not budge. You can use it on your waterline as well and it stays put all day long. And now I'm tightlining my eyes using my Milani After Dark eyeliner. This is basically a matte black eyeliner pencil. Now I'm smudging out the border of that kajal pencil using that matte red toned orange shade, and for that I'm using this angled brush from Pune store. Now taking that like yellow toned orange shade, I'm blending out the edges of the previous shade just to make it look put together. I am using this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline as my brow bone highlighter and my inner corner highlighter. For that I'm using this lip brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Then I decided to go with a glitter eyeliner on the crease, and this is my e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeliner in the shade 24K Gold. It is a like true yellow gold liquid eyeliner. And now I'm just elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye and I'm giving it a V shape so that it gives my eyes a nice like wider looking appearance. Now I'm curling my lashes with my eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara, my all-time favorite drugstore mascara. And do not forget your lower lashes. For my falsies, I'll be using this Midnight Lashes from Kiss Off Camera, and here is the final eye look. I truly love how the entire look turned out. That glitter eyeliner was just cherry on top, and today's cut crease was again my all-time favorite. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there because I upload a lot of Instagram reels, so make sure to follow me there. And yeah, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.